Hello, everyone. Boom. Welcome to NFP. 3rd of February, 2023. We have New Zealand dollar ahead of us. We have euro dollar ahead of us. We are thinking, well, dollar should fall, doesn't it? That's good, right? Good boys. Currently, today, we have 185,000 new jobs created as an expectation. And we have the first one coming in today, Kevin. Good morning. Good morning, Kevin. And whoever else is out there, good morning to you too. Moving forward, I think that it is an important day, an important event. That things is coming together. Hello, Roxana. Hello, all. Hello. So today hopefully we still have some things to do. So first of all, I have a buy at current price on New Zealand dollar coming in from yesterday at 64.75. And that was not New Zealand dollar in that case, but yeah, that one I have a buy there, as mentioned in Discord, across the board, wherever. I have a buy on euro in a loss. In as much as I have a buy down here. Where's my euro? As much as I have a buy down here on euro, 108, 107.99. I also have a buy at 109.50. And I can't even. Is it 50? 109.50.01. Yeah, that's where I have two buys. So currently in loss on that one a bit. And if dollar goes to the moon, YOLO! So, if you are expecting a certain amount, sure be it. But what I want you to do is, this isn't for the faint-hearted. I'm not going to tell you to do anything you don't want to do. And you are responsible for your own trading. Don't come from me like, hey man, you told me this, you told me that. You are responsible for your trading. You are responsible for your actions. You are responsible for your knowledge. And if you don't understand what that going on today, this morning, this afternoon, don't come running for me. Okay? Good? Why can't you go running for me? Because I don't want you to trade if you don't understand what you're doing. Cool? Good. So if you don't understand what's happening, hands up, pants down. That's my motto today. Hello, Harold. Hello, James. Hello, Giddy. Hello, Riyad. Hello, Joseph. Hello, Rux as well again. Sorry. Hello, Harold. The key of today is we are going to have NFP. What is NFP? NFP is a measurement or a survey of how many people is employed, except for those who are in the farming industry. Why? Because it's too volatile and it's just seasonal, and it doesn't give us the full perspective and the full picture of the actual employment in the economy of the United States of America. Does other countries have a non-farm payrolls? I don't think so. So, by the way, we might have revisions from previous data releases. So don't take everything for its fish, whatever its face value. Do some digging. Okay, so where are we going to go today? We are going to go leading indicators. No, we are not going to leading indicators. What is the other one? Facebook. We're not going to Facebook. I can just turn this one down because it's not necessary to do anything there. And then we go YouTube. Woohoo! YouTube. Is all of this also all of these are just nonsense? Okay, we can use one of them. Fine. So 10 minutes left. Who is going to post this thing? It's going to be U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. If you go into that link, you are going to see that. Let's see, when was the last one? It was 6th of January, I think it was. If you go to all releases, major economic indicators, maybe. Let's see. Where is my farm? Okay, not today then. There we go. PDF. On January 6th, 2023, there were created. No, I can't remember half of what I just said, but it was 160,000 non-farm barrels. 223, sorry. And this time around, they're expecting 185,000. So let's go into some statistics. The Fed wants this one to go to. I've been 4.5. I think they're. I don't know if they projected it, but I wanted to go higher than 3.5. 3.5 is too low for them. So for them to do that, sure do. But don't come running for them because that's what they want in their models, because CPI has fallen, unemployment has not risen, housing has fallen, everything else has fallen, GDP has fallen, everything else has kind of accustomed to the new increase of interest rates. So it seems like this one is one of the last major ones that it's going to be need to adjust itself, and it hasn't done it yet. Close all trades just now. Don't risk having any heart attack. Maybe I should have done that. That's a good offer, sir. What do you call it? Full stop loss? Can we do full stop loss? Yeah, we do full stop loss. YOLO! That was the last financial crisis, by the way, and this is COVID. So, went up to 19, was it 19, 14, 15, 14, and now this is too low. Okay, good. The next thing I kind of need to discuss with you is non-farm payrolls have accumulatedly, seasonal adjusted, gone back to give or take pre-COVID levels. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? We wanted that to happen, and then now they want us to make it fall down again. Why do we want NFP to fall? Can somebody give me a very good answer? Someone says, why do Fed want this one to fall? Why? Do you think it will push gold up again, or it will keep falling? Good question. I think it's gonna. Well, if it lower than expected, it's gonna fall. If it's slower than expected, it's gonna rise. Sorry, gold gonna rise if it's slower than expected. Joe, boom. So, does somebody had a good answer for that? Why does Fed want this one to fall? Sorry, to rise this one. And non-farm falling, unemployment rising. I'm just reading the statistics. Unemployment rate were edged down to 3.5 in December and has remained narrow range. Major groups unemployment rate for whites apparently thrown down to 3%. Jobless rates for adult men is 3.1, adult women 3.2, teenager 10%, and apparently some Hispanics and some Asians and some other people, which I find very weird, but I guess that's how they do things. This will push the Fed to stop increasing interest rates. Absolutely correct, Eugene. Very correct. Very correct. The employment population ratio increased by 0.02% over the month to 60, making the labor force participant rate little change over 62.3. I think that is the highest in a long time. apparently. So boring, but okay. So we can go back to charts then. So half of you people left the building then. Cool. Gold. Are we going to rise or going to fall? Gold is prepared to fall. It seems like. I just need to have a button on my trading account. Gillian, will NFP or ISM have the most impact? NFP by far and by a milestone. If you go back here, 4 minutes left. Okay, cool. You guys need to have me to keep time, and then average hourly earnings and employment rate subsequently, but non-farm payrolls, and we shall see if unemployment also comes in at same. If unemployment rate comes in higher, non-farm payrolls comes in lower, and that's kind of what we want to see. Labor force participation lower, average hourly earnings. Probably it's going to rise because it's late. It's not going with the trend. Like it's, what do you call that, Emma? It takes time for people to renegotiate their wages. So, which asset are we going to focus on? Gold, Euro, Aussie, New Zealand. Which one? Choose two. Euro, gold, New Zealand, Aussie. Which one are we going to focus on? Come on, talk to me, Goose. Which assets are we going to focus on? Euro and gold, says Eugene. Okay. That's one. Hi, Marilyn. Good to see you. Harold says Euro. Okay. Interesting. Euro and Aussie, says James. Okay. Sanaya says gold. Okay. Let's bring out the animals. If anybody mentions that I have low energy today, that's a permaband. I'm so flat as a pancake. But I think what's told 5 times yesterday that I was like, Ivan, are you okay? So these were the assets you guys wanted. Most of you guys wanted me to do. Joseph, yeah, I'm going to look at NASDAQ 100 later. There's currently a couple of seconds left, by the way. So let's do it. Let's see how it goes. Cool. We are there. What is it going to be? Higher or lower than expected. Euro fell hard there. NFP is way harder than expected. Way higher than expected. Dollar strength. Bye-bye. Absolutely buying euro. Absolutely shit-faced on euro there. Yeah, that's definite. That's definitely not going to increase lower interest rates. Wow. Okay, let's go to labor force statistics. Let's say what they have published today. Why? This is December. No, it's not the one I want to go for. I would have the new one. Where is the new one? Nope, because this is February. Big drop. Yada. 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 S&P downtown. Euro downtown. NASDAQ downtown. Let the market adjust and suggest, and yeah, I think that's what's going to happen now. Yeah, let the market do its thing. Pound falling even further. Major news. Way higher than expected. But yeah. The number of people are jobless less than 5 weeks decreased to 1.9 million. Number of long-term are essentially unchanged at 1.1. The long-term employment is 19.4. Labor participation rate at 62.4. Unemployment ratio is 60.2. More unchanged after removing the annual effect. So yeah. Okay, it is what it is. I didn't get my dollar weakness, did I? Nah, I don't. So anyone gonna buy? Anybody gonna buy dollar? So yeah. Oh, okay. That did not go how I wanted it to go. Euro coming back up again to support at 108. Yeah. 108.80. Let's see if it can go higher up. The initial spike was 97 pips. That's relatively okay, at least. 550 on dollar, 100 on euro. Pound did a pretty good spike, but of course it's already a target, so it's kind of like, well, whatever. Already 118. Gold. I told you guys I wanted this one to come down for a better price. I didn't think it would happen in this way, though. But gold is definitely having a downturn. So what was it? 1850 is more a level of where I am searching for greener pastures at this point on gold. All right, big drop here on NFP. What's good? Is this going to change anything? Is this going to lead to higher interest rates? Is this going to lead to Fed not changing their policy? Is this going to lead to A, B, C, D, E, F, G? That's your question you have to ask yourself. And my answer is that Fed now is no longer going to be as bearish as they were on Wednesday. So yeah. Anything else on that scenario? But yeah, so I think we're going to see dollar rising the rest of the day, to be honest. I would be very surprised if anything else happened. Yeah. Anyone sold euro? Anyone sold gold? Anyone sold anything else like that. USD yen was requested for, came back again now. Yen pairs are, yeah. Okay, CAD yen coming higher. What did CAD do, by the way? Economics, CADs were what? There was no CAD news? Okay, no CAD news then. I thought there normally is CAD news at the same time. So 3.4 on unemployment rate is incredibly tight. So that's a divergence between CPI and unemployment rate. So they're going opposite ways at this point. James says he sold euro. Okay, hope you're in profit, mate. I think S&P is going to have a deeper pullback now. The only question is, when do we go higher again? So right now, a bit of a pause, to be honest. Nothing much than that. Okay. So for those who are here now, what is your thoughts? How do you there's somebody saying that somebody's fake. 7389. Okay. So yeah, okay, that's actually a fake one. I will, because that's not, is it? Double checking something fake here, because that's 4452. 7389. Okay. I'm just gonna tell Nick. That woman there, and then that. I can ban her and do. Breaking, world suspicious, previous hour, past previous ideas. Sanda, cool. Nothing like banning a scammer on a Friday evening. This is bad for stock market and good for dollar. Yields jumps a lot. Dollar strength for Feb weaker already. Yeah. So if dollar now rises above 102.50, then yeah. Mine. So yeah, sold gold, made profits, is expected to fall. Believe it will have a downtrend for a long term. Okay. That's it. That's interesting. Abasi. I haven't thought about that one yet, though. But euro seems to have stopped. Pound seems to have stopped. The initial reaction is there. Aussie. Bye. That was that stop loss. New Zealand. That was that stop loss. And euro. Isn't that also a stop loss? Yeah, what did I put it on? Euro 108.50. So full stop loss there. Okay. Bye. That's how good trader I was. I mean, you always lose. Head and shoulder in a 4 hour. Okay, cool. What about Aussie Swissy, mate? Aussie Swissy falls a bit more. CAD Swissy, USD Swissy, New Zealand Swissy, Pound Swissy, Euro Swissy. I'm thinking about buying. Well, seasonality wise, this one should go higher. So we shall see if it does do that. Is there anything like that? If you guys are interested in the Edgefinder, you guys can get a free trial. Just mentioning that was told. Wasn't told. Just to see how it is. I do use it though, but that's all. February USD Swiss should go higher until March, so maybe this is a start on a new trend, the uptrend on that one. That's all. You don't see it? Yeah, sorry then, people. From February to March, it's 70% winning trade, 1% return. Mostly good this last year, so looks like a thing to look forward to. So yeah, dollar strength after all, mates. Dollar strength after all. 10-year, 2-year rising, euro dollar falling, SPX rising, USD CAD rising, pound dollar falling, New Zealand dollar falling, Aussie dollar falling. It's bloody out there. But yeah. Okay, peeps, I am pretty dead as a fish at the point. If there's anyone having anything else to mention, please do so now before I say goodnight and goodbye. Unless I'm just gonna drink some cola, maybe that will make me think better. I'm just devastated. As you can see, I wanted to have dollar weakness, but first one to say I was wrong. I was wrong. Yeah. I wouldn't do it yet though. It's some very bullshit, but yeah, I can look for it. Okay, peeps. Great one. I'll see you later, alligators. Don't short dollar yet. That's all. And as Harold says, ciao. Love you guys. I wanted to give away today, but I don't have the energy to do it. I'm sorry. Can see my eyes. Yeah, there it is. So dollar goes against me. Euro fell, stopped out. Whatever. Good night.